I will show you how to enter service mode on Sage Barista Touch and Oracle Touch. Unplug the machine and repeatedly press the power button to use up the remaining power. While holding down the power button, plug the machine back into the wall outlet and keep holding the button until the machine turns on. Remember to keep the power button pressed down the whole time. When the machine is turned on, you access the service menu. Here, you must enter the code 05 times. Finish by selecting the check mark. You are now logged into the service menu. Here, you can troubleshoot using live data, locate stored error codes, or view the total number of cups the machine has brewed over its lifetime. It is always a good idea to note down the errors the machine has stored, as I recommend clearing the errors and restarting the machine if you experience problems. That way, the specific errors will reappear sooner or later if they are genuine. This is the absolute easiest way to troubleshoot if the errors are stored in the service menu. Always check for error codes before making a diagnosis. Don't know how to open your Breville or Sage Oracle and Oracle Touch yet? Watch this video, and thank you for watching.